Well, I woke up this morning with a cold chill down my spine. Thought I knew right then it was duct tape time. My furnace was hissing, my dryer it was a wailing. Nothing left to do but grab that duct tape and start mending. I patched up that furnace with a couple strips of gray, but that dryer then it had its own wild way. I climbed up that ladder, prayed it wouldn't fall, but that duct tape it just laughed and let it all unroll. Oh, I got the duct tape blues, stuck in a sticky mess. Oh, I got the duct tape blues, my repair's gone wrong, I confess. But I'll keep trying, I'll keep mending, I'll keep wearing out that roll. 'Cause Vacu-Man knows duct tape's got a hold